Ciao amici, I'm Maestro Leo Spizzirri, and get ready because today I'm going to take you to Rome. I'm going to show you the most famous sandwich called the Piadina. Get ready, here we go. "35 years, this never gets old." If you haven't checked out the recipe yet, go back to the channel and you're gonna see the most simple dough that I can teach you. It's so simple because there's no yeast in it, just a little baking soda and a little bit of shortening. This dough comes together almost like a biscuit, but when you're done, after just a little bit of kneading, the dough is super smooth and elastic. I took the dough after a night in the refrigerator, but you can use this up to like 4 hours after you mix it. Use a rolling pin, stretch it nice and thin, and then stick it in a really hot oven. Once you stick it in that hot oven, you're gonna see that all these beautiful bubbles pop up. Give it a flip so that it's evenly baked on both sides, then bring it back to the counter. And what I have in front of me today is what's called the Piadina Romagnola. This sandwich is from Rome. I'm using a cheese called stracchino, or sometimes referred to as crescenza. It's a very soft, light cow's milk cheese, and we spread that on the base when this dough comes out of the oven and it's still nice and warm. As it's nice and warm, it kind of just melts into wherever those nooks and crannies are. And then I top this with some gorgeous prosciutto di Parma, 18 months. I took a little bit of arugula, dressed a beautiful salad with just olive oil, salt, and pepper, placed it on top, gave it a snow shower of Parmigiano Reggiano, and then finished it with a little thick balsamic from Modena. I folded it all in half, and that's what I have in front of me here. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this is. It's crispy on the outside, still soft in the middle. I'm gonna give this a beautiful cut, and then look at the inside. I've got the most beautiful package of cheese, prosciutto di Parma, arugula, Parmigiano Reggiano, and balsamic. Guys, I don't know what's better than this in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. To learn how to make this dough and all the other recipes, go back to the channel. You're gonna find how easy it is to follow along with me and make these gorgeous things at home for yourself. I'm Chef Leo. Ciao amici.